Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message on this device. You need to begin by opening Messages app. Now select one of your colors and tap on this plus icon next to camera one. Following that, select audio or video. I will go with audio. Now pick one of those sources, in my case gallery, and hit just once or always. Finally, just click on your file and wait. Lastly, click on Send button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!